everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to the Happy Nail Art series where I am doing fun different nails that make me happy. And today is this design that I doodled on a Procreate, kind of like a palm inspired with some warm summery colors to it because I'm ready for summer feels and themes and all that stuff. So first off, of course, you want to start with a base coat, and then you're going to go in with a yellow nail polish. I'm using Zoya Zip B, and if my brush looks different, it is because I went ahead and put in their newer, bigger brushes on this polish. And this takes about 2 coats with this brush, whereas if you have the original brush on, it takes about 3 coats. So I would suggest changing over the brush if you have any on hand for this yellow. I definitely feel like it's helpful. Then after that is done at drying, we're going to go in and start the art. So for this, I am kind of putting a rainbow-like shape with a pink polish, and this is the Heroine NYC bubblegum pink that I've been using in recent videos. I put one swoop of that going it downwards, kind of has a curve to it, and then I did the same thing, followed the same lines with the China Glaze Pilates Please orange shade, and for that I used like the actual nail polish brush too, so no tools needed specifically for that. Then the next step goes on to creating a little palm leaf, and for this I am using a short detailing brush that is by Orally. I absolutely love their short detailer brush, and I'm using kind of a charcoaly gray acrylic paint for this. And as you can see, the way I do my palms is that the bottom bit of the frond has longer lines that are not done perfectly by any means. They're kind of scattered, they're uneven, and they're definitely not all touching or cohesive the same length or anything. That way it actually looks more realistic. And then on the upper half I have little like curved lines to kind of give the illusion of it hanging over. So I did this on a few parts like off to the edge as well to kind of fill up the nail. And then to add some kind of darker tones to it, I went in with the same brush and black acrylic paint and just put little black lines here and there to kind of give it some depth. And that was it for this design. I really enjoyed it. I topped it off with a shiny top coat, and I am actually currently still wearing this manicure 2 or 3 days now later after filming this. So I really liked it. It's super fun and summery and just makes me think of summer. So here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you back here for another new video very soon. Bye!